Have you ever been chatting with ChatGPT and after a while it suddenly forgets something you told it earlier? Maybe you gave it detailed instructions at the beginning of the conversation, but 20 messages later it starts making mistakes or asks you the same question again. A lot of people think that's a bug, but it's not. It's actually because of something called tokens and the context window. Let's understand what that means. Most people assume AI reads sentences the same way humans do. It doesn't. In fact, AI doesn't even read words. Instead, it first breaks your text into smaller pieces called tokens, and that's what the model actually processes. A token is simply a small chunk of text. Sometimes a token is an entire word. Sometimes it's only part of a word. Even punctuation marks like commas and periods count as tokens. For example, a common word like cat is usually a single token. But a longer word like tokenization might be split into multiple tokens. The exact way words are split depends on the model, but the important thing is this: AI thinks in tokens, not words. As a rough estimate, one token is about 4 characters, or roughly 3/4 of a word. That means a 100-word paragraph is usually around 130 tokens. Now here's why tokens matter. Every AI model has a limit on how many tokens it can keep in its attention at one time. This limit is called the context window. Think of the context window as the AI's working memory. And here's the important part: everything counts toward that limit. The developer's instructions, your entire conversation so far, your latest question, any documents the AI is using, and even the response it's generating right now all share the same context window. For example, if you upload a 200-page document, ask several follow-up questions, and request a long response, all of that shares the same context window. The more space one part uses, the less room there is for everything else. Once the context window fills up, something has to go. The oldest information starts getting pushed out, summarized, or removed entirely. That's why long conversations sometimes seem to lose track of earlier details. Imagine reading a book, but you're only allowed to remember the last 50 pages. Eventually, you forget what happened at the beginning. That's exactly what happens with AI. It isn't forgetting because it has bad memory. It's forgetting because the earlier context is no longer available. Different AI models have different context window sizes. Some can handle only a few thousand tokens, while others can process hundreds or even thousands of pages of text. A larger context window means the model can keep more information in mind before it starts forgetting. So, how can you get better results? First, be direct. Don't waste tokens on long introductions. Just explain what you need. Second, if you're working on a large task, put the most important instructions near the beginning of your prompt, and, if possible, repeat the critical ones near the end. Third, if a conversation becomes very long, start a new chat and copy only the most important context. And finally, remember that longer conversations and longer AI responses use more tokens, which can also cost more money. So the next time ChatGPT forgets something you said an hour ago, you'll know it's probably not a bug. It's simply the context window reaching its limit. AI isn't magically remembering everything you've ever said. It's simply working with whatever still fits inside its context window.